In this video, we're going to cover metric estimation for volume and mass. So first, we're going to define a volume. So a volume is the amount of space an object takes up. Okay, so for example, this tennis ball right here, it takes up a certain amount of space, not as much space or more space than, let's say, this ping pong ball. So this ping pong ball would take up less space. This tennis ball would take up more space. So how do we measure volume? So we use liters. And just to give you kind of a sense of how much a liter is, you know, a 2-liter bottle, you know what that is. You go to the store, you buy a 2-liter bottle. That is, you are paying for soda based on its volume, right? So 2 liters would be a large soda bottle. So that's kind of gives you an idea. Okay, what is a liter? Well, a 2-liter bottle has 2 liters of volume. So 1 liter would be half of a 2-liter bottle. 1 liter is approximately, not exactly, but approximately 1 quart. 1 quart. Okay, so once again, it's not exact, but 1 quart, approximately 1 quart. So if you have a gallon of milk and you cut it up into 4 parts, each part would be about a liter. If you're measuring volume that is very small, then we might deal with something called milliliter, and 5 milliliters is about 1 teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon. So that just kind of gives you an idea of how large a liter is or a milliliter is. Now we'll take a look at mass. And mass is the amount of matter in an object. So what we're saying here is it's the amount of stuff in an object. So the amount of atoms and molecules and what type of atoms could affect that as well. But the amount of stuff, the amount of matter in an object, and just to give an idea how we measure this. First of all, we use grams to measure mass, and 1 gram, to give you an idea how much 1 gram is about it's the amount about the mass of 1 paperclip. So the mass of 1 paperclip. Okay, so here is a paperclip, right? So this paperclip has a mass of about 1 gram. Okay, whether you take this to the moon or to another planet or in space, it has the same mass. Its weight will change. We'll talk about weight later on, but its mass will stay the same. Okay, how about 100 grams? 100 grams. So 100 gram is about the amount of mass in a medium-sized tomato. So a medium-sized tomato, that is about the mass of a medium-sized tomato. It's about 100 grams. And how about a kilogram? So 1 kilogram is about 2.2 pounds. 2.2 pounds. And that's about the size of a small cantaloupe. Okay. So in this video, I just wanted to give you an idea of how large a gram is or a kilogram, how large a liter is or a milliliter is.